Today we're going to talk about various places to live. You know, people choose a place to live according to the money they have available and the lifestyle they prefer. There are a lot of dwelling places. Here is a list showing some of them. Block of flats, detached house, semi-detached house, cottage, villa, castle, palace. We can even find a few surprising places where some creative people sometimes choose to live. Water tower, yurt, lighthouse, mountain cabin, bomb shelter. I think we could add some things to that list if we surfed the net and searched for unusual places to live. There are various things we can typically find outside a house, like a garden, a garage, parking spaces, a porch, a swimming pool. But I think it's much more interesting to explore houses on the inside, or the interior. Typically, houses and flats have several rooms. They are kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, dining room, living room, toilet and bathroom, hall, study. If we talk about a detached house or cottage, they often have a balcony, an attic, a basement. Meet our friend Tom. It's so nice of him to share information about his flat. He's prepared an excursion around his flat. Let's watch and focus on the way he uses grammar to describe his flat. Our flat is very comfortable and cozy. It has 3 rooms: my parents' bedroom, my room, and a living room. Our flat is equipped with all modern conveniences, such as central heating, Wi-Fi, satellite TV, and telephone. Our living room is the biggest room in our flat. There is a long dining table with several chairs around it in the living room. There is a big cupboard and different shelves to the right of the table. There's a table with a TV set on it opposite the big dining table. There is a cozy sofa with 2 armchairs in the corner. The floor is covered with a beautiful carpet. My parents' bedroom is comfortable and spacious. There is a cozy bed and 2 dressing tables, with small lamps on each of them. My room is the smallest. It's very cozy and light. There is a desk, an armchair, a wardrobe, and a bed. There is also a computer on my desk. Our kitchen is quite big. There is a cupboard with cooking utensils along the kitchen wall. There is a fridge to the right of the cupboard and a sink to the left. Our kitchen is well equipped. It has a toaster, a food processor, a dishwasher, a microwave, and a coffee maker. We like to spend evenings in our cozy kitchen drinking hot chocolate and playing board games. I think you will agree that Tom's flat looks really cozy. But have you focused on the grammar constructions he used to describe his flat? Let's analyze a couple of sentences from his tour. There is a fridge to the right of the cupboard. There are 2 dressing tables with lamps on them in the bedroom. We see that he starts the description of the location of the objects with either there is or there are. There is used to talk about singular nouns. There is a fridge. There are is used to talk about plural nouns. There are 2 tables. Don't hesitate to use this construction when you describe a place. Good luck in describing where you live.